When I listen to the individuals who have tried some of these for real medical conditions, post-traumatic stress disorder, severe refractory depression, people tell me that they believe that psilocybin was successful, it was a curative, or significantly helped their severe mood disorder. People have told me that other psychedelics like MD&A have been helpful in treating PTSD. Doctors have told me that they've sent patients for this therapy. Ibogaine has been used to treat PTSD. There are trials now looking at it for traumatic brain injury, things we have had nothing for in the past. What have we had to treat traumatic brain injury and PTSD that has really had great results up until this time? I'm saying we have to listen to doctors who have these experiences, and this is one of our top priorities at the FDA, to listen to doctors, to listen to patients, and to make sure we don't get in the way with red tape. We want to do proper independent evaluations, but we've got to do it quickly because many young Americans have signed up to serve their country and were sent to unnecessary wars, and they were hurt badly. And we owe it to them to do everything possible to try to seek out what might help them. And so this is a top priority for this FDA and this administration.
You bring up this FDA, but last year, Biden's FDA blocked the approval of MDMA-assisted therapy and drugs like psilocybin, MDMA, Ibogaine. They're still classified as Schedule 1, which, for people watching who don't know, it means there's no accepted medical use, they're highly addictive and dangerous, they're literally illicit drugs. Now, you just talked about the data being there. Why does the classification still remain?
Well, I think we have to take a hard look at everything. I think everything needs to be on the table. I think we need to look at how we evaluate and consider these medications. There are ongoing clinical trials that are going to read out sometime soon, and we have to take an expeditious and rapid review of that data. We can't say, well, our normal process is that it takes a year to give a good look at data. We have got a crisis right now, and I don't think if these medicines end up showing clinical benefit in their trials, I don't think it's a silver bullet, but we owe it to people who are suffering to do everything we can as a government to get a decision on the results.